In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage your account settings and cancel your subscription on Deferit.com. Let's dive into the steps together, ensuring everything is crystal clear and easy for you to follow at home. First, you'll need to open your favorite web browser and head over to Deferit.com. Once the site has loaded, the next step is to log into your account. Do so by entering your login credentials, which typically include your username or email and password. If you haven't already created an account, you'll need to do that before moving on to the next steps. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen. You should see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on it. This icon is a gateway to managing your account and accessing various settings. When you click on it, a drop-down menu will appear. Don't let the array of options daunt you. Simply choose Settings from this list. Once you're in the settings, the next step is to look for the Membership tab. Tap on it to view details specific to your subscription. This section holds all the information related to your current membership plan. Here, you'll be able to make changes to your plan, upgrade, or in this case, proceed with canceling. As you scroll through, you'll notice an option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on it if you've decided that you no longer need the membership or if you wish to pause for a while. It's important to note that typically websites will offer feedback options upon cancellation. They want to know your reason for leaving, which may sometimes lead to receiving offers or incentives to stay. However, you're under no obligation to accept them. After selecting to cancel your membership, you will usually encounter a confirmation prompt. This step is crucial as it ensures that you indeed want to go through with the cancellation. Confirm your decision and your account will no longer be billed past your current subscription cycle. Make sure to note any confirmation email or message for your records, which often acts as a final verification of the cancellation. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through your Deferit.com account, accessed your settings, and canceled your subscription. Remember, if you ever need to resubscribe or have questions, reaching out to customer support is a good step. They can assist with any further inquiries or complications you may encounter. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tutorials and guides in the future. Have a great day.